Hey Jerome, God's morning. I hope all is well. It's a sunny Thursday morning dito sa bahay ko. Well, you might be wondering bakit ako nag-video, no? Probably you felt na hindi na kita masyado pinapansin. So past many days, actually the Holy Spirit just prompted me to let you know, bro, and to let you what's really in my heart, ano. I hope you just hear me out. Actually bro, na offend ako sa iyo eh. Yun lang gusto kong sabihin sa iyo, offend ako sa iyo kasi mas pinili mo umattend nung law ministry kaysa umattend sa event. I was really hoping you will be there kasi nga, di ba? Hindi naman tayo bago magkakilala. I was actually expecting you to be there. So, but the thing is, yun nga yung problem sa akin, bro. I told you before, di ba? Sa mga taong naging kilala ko na, I'm very expectant na you also be supporting itong event. It's not really for me, bro. Just to let you know. Kaya lang na ano okay, nadi-disappoint ako. Hindi lang ikaw, bro. Actually, marami. So, kaya lang, yung gesture na ginawa mo, bro, na-offend ako. Twice mo na kasing ginawa yun. Naalala mo ba yung nag-usap tayo na sa Film Live pa tayo? May mga project tayo pinag-usapan. Bigla mo na ako iniiwan sa ere. So, twice na yan, bro. So, kaya na-offend ako sa'yo. Kasi mas pinili mo umattend yung mga taong hindi mo naman ganong kilala. Well, I don't know kung kilala mo talaga sila, no? Pero, you would rather attend those event na napag-usapan na yun before pa eh. Wala naman ano yun. Actually umattend nga yung iba doon na hindi ko kilala eh. 'Di ba? Sila yung mga bagong lawyers. So dinala pa nila yung mga D group nila. So I was sharing to them na appreciate ko yung mga taong ito kasi nga I really don't know them but they were there to support. Not to support me, bro. It's really to support yung itong outreach ito kasi we really need people eh. Kulang talaga yung dumating. Almost more than actually 25-30% lang yung dumating unexpectedly. Pero si God, alam mo, maraming ginawa si God na kakaiba talaga na naman. So yun lang, bro, gusto ko lang i-share sa'yo, no? I wanna let you know na from the bottom of my heart, I wanna forgive you kung if you don't think you deserve that, but for me, it's really for me, God is prompting me to let you know na I was offended for what you did. Actually did it twice already. But parang sa'yo okay lang eh, di ba? Parang sa'yo okay lang yun, bro. Yun na napapansin ko sa'yo eh. So sa akin hindi siya okay. Okay? So I expect too much of people, na especially na I consider you friend. Hindi lang ikaw friend, bro. You're a brother. But the thing is, most people who attended that event is not really my friend eh. Diba? They were not really my friend. Kasama na sa work. Pero they were there to support. So, yun yung disappointing ko, bro. Just to let you know. No? Yun yung napansin ko sa maraming Kristiyano na matatagal na. So-called Christian na matatagal na. Pero ito yung mga certain things na mga event na to, they would rather do other things eh. So, di ba? Just to let you know, no? Hindi lang ikaw, bro. Sabi ko sa'yo, yung dati kong D group leader, I also had a very bad experience with him. So, he would rather choose to attend his worship training, yung worship nila, practice nila, rather than support me, or support itong ano. Actually, just to let you know, talagang kailangan ko ng support. Kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, I was the only one doing the event. Pero si God, talagang pinadala niyo yung boss ko, Mike, tara, tulungan kita dyan, di ba? Wala sa Christian circles, bro. Wala. No one ever gave me support. So, yung support na lang sana nga, I was hoping is your presence, di ba? Hindi naman ako kakausapin mo yung mga lola. Pero yun, bro, sabi ko nga sa'yo, na-disappoint din ako sa dati kong D group. I was really upfront with him. Sabi ko, bro, ito ba yung, di ba, ito na nga yung opportunity na we get to know each other better, eh, di ba? Support me in this ministry. Birthday ko to. Pero birthday ko na nga yun, kasi di ka mapupunta. Sabi ko na, mas pinili mo pa umattend ng practice mo sa worship, di ba? Ito, hindi naman to nangyayari every week. Once in a lifetime, once in a blue moon lang. Sabi ko rin sa kanya yan, bro. Sabi ko, I'm very disappointed at you kasi mas pinili mo ito kaysa sa akin. Kasi ako, kasama mo ko sa D group. You are my leader. But bakit gano'n? Sabi ko sa kanya. So, gusto ko lang i-share sa iyo, bro, na para ma-realize mo na ano na I was hoping you were there. I was really hoping you were there kasi hindi lang naman tayo we've known since 2000 bro, 15, di ba? We know each other. Kailang ilang. And bro, gusto ko na i-share what's in my heart. I just wanna let it out. And the Holy Spirit been prompting me to talk to you. Kailangan I don't wanna talk to you actually. Ganun lang talaga ako, bro, para makilala. Kasi hindi mo talaga ako kilala eh. Ilang 'yon. Para ma-realize mo, this is who I am. And I know God is teaching me to become a better person and teaching me not to have grudges, teaching me to forgive, to release. It is not for you, bro, it's really for me. I wanna release forgiveness to you. Hindi lang ikaw, bro, meron pa mga iba. Kailang, yun nga, ang disappointing factor yun for me. Sabi ko kay Lord, sabi ko, disappoint na naman ako. True enough, disappoint na naman ako sa mga taong in-expect ko to be there. Meron nga isa nga, bro, para malaman mo, may isa pa ako doon, matagal ko ito kilala. Babae to, okay? Nag-uusap na kami, nagtatanong-tanong pa nga siya, ano. Actually, siya dapat ang kakanta doon. Kaya lang, alam mo ba, iniwan niya rin ako sa ere. So, I was hoping she would be there, been following her up, hindi siya dumating. Diba? Hindi rin siya dumating nung birthday ko sa Max. So, yan yung mga factor sometimes na tinuturuan ako ni God. Mike, you have to forgive kasi it's about you. It's not about these people, it's about you. And bro, I just wanna share you with that. And I hope maano mo lang din yung where I'm coming from. And I wanna let you know. Ilang bro, doon ako nang gagaling. Kasi na ano lang talaga ako, bro. So, gusto ko lang i-release yung forgiveness. God showing me today unto you. Okay? God bless you, bro. Bye.